Hey guys, Gerardo here, along with
Aaron.
And today we're going to be making
Chocolate chip cookies on the barbecue.
That's right, and they're going to be super yummy, so stick around while we make these with you. Alright, so we're ready to go here. We're going to start off by starting this butter. We're going to turn the mixer on. You need to plug your ears. Alright, so while it's running, we're going to get Aaron to put in the sugar. Just throw it in there. Right on, and then we're going to add on some brown sugar. We'll let that go a little bit. And then
It looks so yummy.
already, hey?
Yeah, it looks like cookie dough.
Not quite. And then we're going to add on, excuse me, right? A teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Okay, you do it. I'll do the chocolate chips.
Let that beat for a little bit. Want to let it go until it's nice and creamy. What do you think?
It smells good. So, after we're going to mix it again, because we just got this out of the holes.
That's right. So yeah, now that we've got this going here, we're gonna add some eggs to the mixture. Let that one go a little bit longer, and now we're gonna add the flour gradually. I'm gonna do this one though because it's gonna make a little bit of a mess, I think, okay? Okay, so once that's going, just want to make sure you incorporate that all nicely. It looks like it is.
It's so creamy.
Alright, so what we're going to do here now is, now we've got our cookie dough mixture all mixed up. We're going to be adding in a cup of, or 2 cups of chocolate chips. So we're going to be using semi-sweet chocolate chips, salted caramel chocolate chips, and peanut butter chocolate chips, all kind of mixed in together for a total of 2 cups worth. So I'll get Aaron to dump in, give me about a quarter of it.
Half of it?
Yeah, sure, about half of it is, well, that's good. It's good for now, and then we're just going to fold this in. Okay, now we're going to put these on a greased up cookie sheet and put them on the barbecue at 375. They're going to cook in there for, I don't know, about 8 to 10 minutes or so, and then we'll eat them. You ready? Let's do it. So here we go. We're going to set them up. I didn't grease up the pan. I just put them on some parchment paper. This was just sliding around a little bit. And we're gonna throw them on my Pit Boss 440D. They're gonna go in there. The rest, I did just 12 in there. We did one big massive skillet cookie, and here we go. So we're gonna put them in, right up here, the top one. Yeah, both hands. That one's heavy, and right underneath here. You are. Here, let's flip this around this way. Both of them in there. They're going to bake for the next 10 minutes. Let's close the lid, get it nice and warm. 10 minutes. We have it at 350. If you're doing it in your oven, you can do it at 375. We'll come back and check them in about 10. What do you think, Aaron?
I
Perfect. Here we are. Cookies are done. Have a look here. That's the big skillet cookie. There are the little cookies. And there's my taste tester. It's gonna be good. So here we are, it's tasting time. Aaron, go ahead. Pick your cookie. That's the one you're going with, right? Sounds a little crunchy. I'm gonna pick this one. Oh. Pretty good. Okay. There you go. Cookies done on the barbecue. Remember, if you can do it in the oven, you can do it in your barbecue. Give it a shot.